Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain in Angel Broking app how we can pledge a stock to increase our margin. First of all, if you are a first time viewer of my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you enable the description of this video, you can get a link here. Through this link you can easily open a free demat and trading account, and first year AMC is free, and for the delivery orders you will get absolutely free. Okay, now I am going to Angel Broking app. In the app, first I will show you what are my holdings, and against this holding how I am getting I can pledge it. I am going to my portfolio. Here you can see I have two stocks. First now I am going to my funds option here. Here you can see my ledger amount, how much it is balance is here, and if I want to do view limits, I can see here. Here I can get an option margin against holding. This we will use to pledge our holdings. I am pressing on it. Okay, here you can see how much additional margin I can gain, and if you want to increase the margin, use this option. If you want to unpledge it, you have to use this option. If you want to see the transaction history, that we can see here, and if you want to understand how it works, this option is here. I am going to press it. It will give you an idea. I am pressing it. Now step 1, select the stock you wish to get additional margin on and submit the request. Step 2, you will receive a link from CDSL via SMS or email. Then next step is we will get an OTP. First step is just enter the OTP and it will enhance within 15 minutes. One point which is not mentioned is, for each script, when we try to increase our margin, there is a charge of 20 rupees plus GST, and like that when we try to withdraw our pledging, there is a charge of 20 rupees. So each time when we are pledging and unpledging, we have to pay service charge plus tax. Now I am pressing on increase margin. Now I can set here quantity, and we can select, as I have only one additional stock, I am directly selected here. If I have multiple, I can select which all stock I can pledge it. If you want to read the terms and condition, you can see it here in the bottom. I am just opening. It will just tell what are the terms and conditions, all this thing. If you want to read, you can read it. Go back, and here we can set the quantity. Again, I will show you by 5 quantity. If I am pledging, how much I will get it. If I am putting 9 quantity, how much amount additional margin I can get it, we can see here. Then we have to press on this create margin here in the bottom. Now OTP generated successfully, so I will receive an OTP here. Once I have an OTP, it will come here. Then I have to give this proceed. So this is only procedure to pledge it. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, if you want to open my account with Angel Broking, just use my link. Thanks for watching.